How to delete your Facebook account permanently. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to delete your Facebook account permanently. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let us jump right in. First thing first, you'll have to open up your Facebook app. You just have to make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to delete. And then from here, you just have to head over to the menu section. Now just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. It will open up your settings and privacy. Once you land on the settings page, all you have to do is tap on the account center, and here you will have controls over all of your accounts. So just tap on your profiles and you'll be able to see all of your connected profiles here. Scroll down, tap on personal details, and then from here head over to account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion, and from here choose the Facebook account that you want to deactivate or delete. Then just tap on it. And then from here, if you just want to temporarily deactivate, you can just select the first option. But if you want it to be permanently gone, choose the second one. Tap on continue. And you have to note that all of your pages will be gone as well once you delete the profile. So just tap on continue. Now select a reason that you want to delete. Tap on continue again. And here you just tap on continue again. And now just tap on delete account. So after doing that, your account will be permanently deleted. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.